Mr. Prime Minister, I've read about you that you do some rather unusual things and it's sad that it's unusual, but it's unusual because we don't usually think of a Prime Minister doing some of the work, or not just a Prime Minister, a man. In any position. So talk to us about that, how you take this way that you feel about gender equity and women into your personal life, your family life, the way that you're modeling it for your children, as well as your country.
Are we going to get to the secret here?
We could.
I see. So, what you see here are pink hands. It's not because I half removed my nail polish, pink. It's because of something I like doing, and I did last night, which was baking a cake. And this was from the color dyeing for the sugar mass. So I was gonna ask Elizabeth to come up here and take delivery of the cake I did yesterday. I can hardly say it's a contribution for Arts Week, but still it's a creative something.
Well, I particularly love the color of the icing, and it does show up on your hands.
Yeah, it took some time
I
to.
I thought maybe you were wearing nail polish, but
that's not the thing I do, but I like baking cakes. Or maybe I shouldn't say. Maybe the best description is I like decorating cakes, okay?
Oh. Well, we're going to share this cake, not right this moment, but in just a few minutes, and then we can all talk about
Yes,
how
please.
good is he at baking the cake. But that's that, and this is seriously an
Yes,
important
please.
step forward. Yeah, yes, would you like to take
Please,
it from
Popsy.
Silly?
Has gone to the UN, so I'm having the cake.
Yes, absolutely.
So you're going to take it, but you promise not to disappear with it. We said we would share it.
Yes, this cake has to be shared. It's too good to eat. I know people are looking for selfies. Oh, pictures, not selfies, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Prime Minister.
Well, it's my pleasure. I really did enjoy it.
I think for the picture, we ought to have you stand with the cake that you baked, Mr. Prime Minister.
So.